Brush the tangled wet hair with the Ceramic Plus Ion Bent Styler and find the natural part. Try not to disturb the natural curl in the hair. Using a blow dryer with a diffuser, blow dry freehand until the hair is about 75% dry. Lift and scrunch the hair with your hands to add height, direction, and volume. Starting at the top of the head, use the large size Heat Pro thermal brush and blow dryer with the nozzle to create lift and body. Leave the brushes in the hair. It essentially acts like a hot roller. Repeat all around the top of the head. Remove the brush and flip the hair to the opposite side to create volume at the root. Continue this as you move down the head, using the double clip to keep dried sections away from the damp hair. Once again, remove all the brushes and tousle the hair with your hands. Now use the small Heat Pro thermal brush with small sections to create the waves. Remove all the brushes and tousle the hair with your hands. Add styling product and manipulate the hair with your hands to create the desired texture.